Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good day to all of you. Today, I would like to present to you all our project which entitled Development of an Educational PID Controller Kit for Airflow Control using Arduino technology. First of all, let me introduce you our team members which are me as Nurlaili binti Abdul Rahman alias Abdul Rahim from Polytechnic Sultan Abdul Halim Muazzam Shah, my friends Siti Hajar binti Ismail from Polytechnic Tuanku Sultan Nabahiyah, and also Fariha binti Ayub from Polytechnic Sultan Abdul Halim Muazzam. First of all, let me introduce you about our project. The PID controller is a fundamental component in industrial automation, widely used to automatically regulate process variables such as temperature, pressure, liquid level, and also flow rate. While PLCs, programmable logic controllers, include PID functions through analog input and also output modules, most manufacturers also provide standalone PID controllers due to their simplicity in programming, monitoring, and maintenance. This highlights the importance of teaching PID control to engineering students as it represents a cornerstone in control system application. Because of its wide applicability, PID control is relevant across multiple disciplines, including mechanical, electrical, chemical, as well as related technology programs. Because of that, we come out with the project which entitled the Development of an Educational PID Controller Kit for Airflow Control using Arduino technology. The design focuses on controlling airflow through a potentiometer with real-time display of a value of Kp, value of Ki, and also Kd, and also values can be displayed on an I2C LCD module designed to be both practical and cost-effective. These kits provide students with hands-on experience, helping them understand not only how PID controllers operate, but also how to perform and apply PID control application. Next, the objective of this project. Okay, we come up with three main objectives for this project, which are: an educational PID controller kit is built to help students experience the real practice of PID controller study, which include programming and circuit connection. An educational PID controller kit is built with lightweight and portable, which easy to carry by users. An educational PID controller kit is built with the smart apps and QR code for the lab sheets and training kit manual. Okay, before we go for problem statement, let me tell you that all the students in Polytechnic who study in Diploma of Mechatronic Engineering, they need to learn about PID controllers in subject which called as control system. Okay, now we've moved to the problem statement. Why we come up with this project? First of all, because from our survey, we can see that many students are unfamiliar with PID controllers, and then theory-based learning difficult to understand. And then we from our survey also, we can see that all of them suggested to make more hands-on tools to make learning easier. Okay, so that our approach is that to develop PID controller training kit to control airflow using Arduino Uno, and also we conducted Q&A sessions with Polytechnic students. Okay, from our results, survey results, which have 35 respondents from students Polytechnic Tuanku Sultan Nabahiyah, we get that the 68% from them, they have no knowledge of PID controller, and 88% prefer training kit for easier learning. That's why we come up with this. Okay, now we move to the project scope of this project. The training kit is designed to be fully functional using Arduino Uno as the main controller. And then the second part is the airflow and ball height can be controlled by adjusting a potentiometer. And then the third one is the kit is supported with educational resources including the PID controller, lab sheet and a QR code linking to the project website for additional learning material. Next, the importance of the project. Okay, so we can list there are some importance of the project which benefits both students and industry professionals, provide greater exposure to PID controllers. It is portable, safe and easy to operate. It gives students a clearer practical understanding of PID controllers, serves a valuable study resource for current and future learners, and also helps teachers and lecturers explain PID concepts more effectively. Here is the data analysis of our project, which we have conducted. 3 series of tests were performed to observe the KP, KI and KD of PID controller training kit with percentage speed of DC fan. And also we have conducted experiment of 3 series of tests were performed to observe the heat of DC 12 volt fan when the DC fan operated for 60 minutes. As for the design, we use AutoCAD drawing of PID training kit. Here you can see the drawing of the training. This is the schematic diagram of our project, which we use Arduino Uno and also the electronic components used in this project. Okay, here is the flowchart of operational testing PID controller training kit to control airflow using Arduino Uno. From this flowchart, you can use the training kit easily. Here, we display to you the materials and components cost to develop this project. Okay, here, the final product, how the project looks like. It's a very convenient to use. It's a very portable and easy to use. Next, we move to the impact of the project. Okay, we classify the impact for 3 main points. First, the practical application. This training kit allows students to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical settings. It helps bridge the gap between theory and real-world applications, giving students a better understanding of control system. Second, hands-on experience. Students get the opportunity to work with actual hardware, making it easier for them to comprehend abstract concepts related to control theory. This hands-on experience is crucial for developing practical skills. Then the third impact is for industry relevance. Exposure to PID controllers is relevant to various industries including manufacturing, robotics, and automation. Familiarity with PID control is beneficial for students planning to enter fields where mechatronics plays a crucial role. Next is the novelty of this project. This project, the product innovation, is produced by the lecturers of mechanical engineering department in order to help students in their studies. With the 8 Arduino controllers, students can learn different programming languages which can be useful when studying control. This kit can be used for a variety of purposes, including industrial teaching and in-class instructions. The kit's components enable users to learn about circuitry and component application. Now, we look for the potential of commercialization. The production of this training kit can influence a lot of potential of commercialization in lots of areas, which are first, educational market demand, where mechatronic courses are gaining popularity and institutions are seeking comprehensive training solutions that combine theoretical knowledge with practical hands-on experience. Second, industry relevance, as industries increasingly adopt mechatronic system for automation and control, there is a growing need for a skilled workforce well versed in control system design and implementation. As in conclusion, the development of an educational PID controller kit for airflow control using Arduino technology has proven to be reliable and adaptable solution for accurate control applications. The main objective of this project was to create an effective educational and training loops and control systems through hands-on experience. By adjusting PID parameters and observing system responses, users gain a deeper understanding of control theory. Arduino was chosen as a platform due to its simplicity, accessibility, and strong community support, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. With available PID libraries, the implementation process becomes straightforward and practical. However, users must be mindful of operational limitations such as speed and time constraint to prevent overheating or damage. Overall, this project successfully achieved its objectives by producing a functional, safe, and user-friendly training kit that enhances both teaching and learning of PID controllers. And then that's all from me. Thank you for watching.